Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back again. So today's video I will share with you guys my moisturizing flaxseed gel. On my previous video I told you guys I will share this method with you guys on how I prepare my moisturizing flaxseed gel that binds moisture to your hair, that reduce breakage and split ends. It gives you that shining and frizz free hair. Who does not want a frizzy free hair? Who does not want a frizz free hair? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It is absolutely very easy, so just follow this step by step and you will definitely have a frizz free hair. Your coils will look popping. You don't have to wash this out of your hair. I have a lot of flaxseed gel treatment on my channel whereby I use flaxseed in different ways, as a pre-treatment, as a mask, as also a moisturizer whereby I leave it on my hair and also use it to, make my coils popping and have a frizzy free hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, share this video, share to your friends and family, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and most importantly, go ahead to turn on your bell notification so that you will not miss when I upload, because some of you have been missing my videos recently and I know that you have not turned on your bell notification. So go ahead to turn it on and you will not miss it again. So this is what a flaxseed looks like. In case this is your first time seeing flaxseed, it looks like this. It has a mucilage content in it. It makes your hair frizz really soft. Okay, if you have not yet tried flaxseed before, go ahead to try it. Just go to the supermarket where they normally sell food items. You can pretty much find flaxseed in any food shop or supermarket, or you can pretty much find it online. So I am going to be using 3 tablespoons of flaxseed to 2 cups of water, and make sure to put it in a very low heat for it to boil. So follow this step by step and you're going to achieve a moisturizing flaky free gel. Okay guys, so make sure your heat is in a low heat. Number 1, make sure your gas or whatever you're using to do this is in a very low heat. I repeat, a very low heat. You don't want to come out with a flaky gel. You don't want to come out with a gel that is not moisturizing. Okay, as you guys can see, the mucilage is going to come out very smooth. It is going to come out pretty like a jelly consistency. Okay, I prefer not to allow your mixture to be very thick before straining it, because it is going to be very stressful for you and it is going to come out messy looking. So you want this to be smooth when you're straining it. You want this to be like this pretty much. And this is what our gel is looking like. As you guys can see, it comes out really nice. It is looking very great. So after straining it, you allow it to cool down a little bit, and you don't want to burn down your flaxseed while you are boiling it. That is why I recommend you use a very low heat. Put it in a very low heat so the flaxseed can cook slowly and bring out a very nice jelly consistency for you. So when you allow it to cool down a little bit, then you add in the rest of your ingredients, and the ingredients that you will be adding should not be something heavy, because you are using this to pretty much apply on your hair in the last method. This is not a mask gel that we are making. This is a moisturizing gel that you don't have to wash off your hair, so you have to mind the ingredient that you'll be adding. So I recommend you use a light oil, something nice. Add in your essential oil. Essential oil can be okay. Adding essential oil, you can use different essential oil that is good for your hair and scalp. I'm adding in lavender oil, lavender essential oil. I'm also going to be adding in my aloe vera gel extract. I'm adding in about 1 tablespoon of that, and also I added in my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very, very nice. You can add in any oil of your choice. I don't recommend using heavy oil like coconut, avocado, or olive oil. No, I recommend you use only vitamin E oil. Almond oil is also very light and good. So just a little bit of oil is okay, because you are still going to be, if you watch my previous video where I use it to moisturize my baby's hair, just watch my previous video, watch it. You are going to understand what I am saying, for you to come out with a nice moisturized, flake free and frizz free hair. You can even use this to achieve a beautiful wash and go. Put it in the fridge and it is going to become thicker. So I went ahead to pour it into this particular bottle, this particular container. This is a recycled bottle that I got from after I used it to give my baby juice. So this is a juice container. I just went ahead to rinse it and I recycled it, and yeah, it was great. And you can use a round container, but I just don't want to dip my hand into a container and then use it to apply on my hair. I just prefer this. I will go ahead to press it out and apply it, which is going to make it last long, because when you start dipping your hand without no preservative in it, it is going to spoil immediately. So when you finish using it, just use any container of your choice, guys. So if you prefer the one that you are using if you prefer the one with dipping your hand in, no problem. So if you prefer this type, or if you have this type, no problem. So I hope you guys understand and enjoy this video. I really enjoyed filming it and showing you guys how to prepare your own gel, moisturizing gel that you don't have to wash out. You don't have to wash this out at all. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Can you guys see how my daughter's hair is well moisturized? This is an intense moisture. Like, can you guys see? Her hair was moisturized for days and it was flaky free, breakage free, frizzy free. Like, it was amazing. Bye guys.